Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Cricket West Indies President Dr. Kishore Shallow says only one host territory is behind schedule for the month-long ICC Men's T20 World Cup. Dr. Shallow, who refused to name the territory, but says he has been assured that all will be in place for the start of the tournament set for June 1 to 29.
I won't state the country at this point, of course, Anma, but the discussions are taking place with them, and we have the commitment from that government that they're going to accelerate. And it's just, we have all confidence that they're going to deliver, right? By just stating that, probably a week or two behind schedule.
Meanwhile, Dr. Shallow says there was a misunderstanding at the last annual general meeting among directors, which fails to push through some of the recommendations from the Webby governance report.
I just want to make it very clear that these resolutions, that they take effect from March 2025. I think there was a misconception in some quarters that these would have been in effect immediately. So even with term limits on the extended terms, tenure, period that was being proposed, these were to take effect from the next election, right after the next election. So there would have been an election, and then these would have been implemented.
Right then, some football news now. English Premier League leaders Arsenal battle German powerhouse Bayern Munich in one of two UEFA Champions League first leg quarterfinal matches this afternoon. High-riding Arsenal will host Bayern Munich with former Tottenham Hotspur marksman Harry Kane. Bayern have won the European Cup 6 times, while Arsenal's best showing in the elite competition was reaching the 2006 final. Defending champions Manchester City will play away to many-time champions Real Madrid at the Santiago Bernabeu in their first leg encounter in the other quarterfinal contest. City beat visitors Real 4-0 last year to win their semi-final tie 5-1 on aggregate. Both matches kick off at 2 p.m. Some athletics now. The 20.17 personal best 200-meter performance from this year was given, from Oblique Seville, has given the confidence that he'll take his career to greater heights by the end of the 2024 season. TVJ Sports caught up with Seville after a recent training session at his UWI base at the Racers Track Club.
Because I ran at 20.1 a couple of weeks ago, which shows that I can do a lot more better even in the 100 meter.
Seville, who finished 4th in the 100 meters at both the 2022 and 2023 World Athletics Championships, is aiming to go at least one place higher in Paris.
Yeah, because everyone have the expectation of me being on the podium, so it's just for me to go out there on the day and give it a good execution, and everything going to come to place.
The 23-year-old is also looking to signal his intent at the Racers Grand Prix, which comes up on June 1 at the National Stadium.
Yes, I am looking forward to that meet, because last year I didn't get the chance to run at the Racers Grand Prix meet because I was injured. But this season I'm looking forward to compete in front of my Jamaican fans.
And that's where we leave the track for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.